All right, Central Texas, there's a lot to talk about with hurricane to now tropical storm Harvey. Now, for the state of Texas, at least 67 tornado warnings have been issued so far. Now, just to kind of backtrack a bit, Harvey did make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, sustained winds of 130 miles per hour, if you can imagine that, along the Texas coastline right around 10 p.m. last night. Now, last time the state of Texas has had a Category 4 hurricane was Carla back in 1961. So 56 years ago since Texas has seen a Category 4 hurricane. In fact, flooding is still the main concern as we go through the evening hours for us in Central Texas. So there's Tropical Storm Harvey. Now it is kind of sandwiched in between two influences. We do have an upper level ridge of high pressure off over the Four Corners, really over Utah right now, not to mention an area of high pressure over the Gulf of Mexico. So the big question mark is, where's Hurricane Harvey going, or Tropical Storm Harvey now going to go within the next couple of days? Now still looking at steady rain across Bell County, but moderate to even pockets of heavy rain right around the Brazos Valley, Leon, Robertson, even Milam County, just picking up on all that moisture. And we continue with that rain even through the overnight hours as well. Still have that tornado warning in effect just west of Conroe, west of I-45, south of the Brazos Valley. In fact, the Brazos Valley did have a tornado warning earlier this morning. Now the good news is they are out of that tornado watch, but it still includes Grimes County through about 2 a.m. this morning. Still can't rule out those brief spin-up tornadoes within the outer bands of Harvey, so that's what we'll be watching through the overnight hours. Now, most of us are included in that marginal risk. That's only a level 1. That just means some isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible. Some will also be strong for some of our southeastern counties, so we will be watching that also as we go through the overnight hours. Now today, we only reached a high temperature of 76. Our normal high for today is 96, so that's 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. So if we recap the forecast track of Harvey, there it is, tropical storm. Now movement nearly stationary. Winds have gone down to 65 miles per hour, but by tomorrow afternoon should be a remnant low, and it will really meander around the Texas coastline as well. Now looking at future track, we will continue with the pockets of heavy rain overnight tonight into the early morning hours on Sunday, but the rain isn't done just yet. We'll continue with that steady moderate to even heavy rain, especially over the Brazos Valley all the way up to our southeastern counties. So this is we'll really be watching for that flooding potential. Not to mention, models are picking up to over 10 inches of rain possible. Now this is the European model, is one of the most reliable. Then we have the American model also picking up near 10 inches of rain for our southeastern counties. So that is one thing we will be watching. Be careful of the ponding on the roadways as well. Check out these high temperatures though. They will be well below normal in the upper 70s by Sunday. We'll keep that 76 with wind gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. In fact, with Tropical Storm Harvey kind of meandering along the Texas coastline, the rain will continue even into the end of next week.
All right, Megan, thanks so much.